Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a first spread in my new planner for 2025. So this is Sketchy Florals. It is a catch-all planner for me this year, and we're going to create a spread together. So it is a spread for December 30th through January 5th. So yep, that's the transitional week. So here we go. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I'm so thankful for you. Today I'm going to be using the Winter Wonder from Cosmetic Plans. She has this wonderful winter New Year stickers in there. They're black and gold, and I thought it would be a good like a good color to start a year with. Okay, first off, checklist, you guys, because I cannot live without a checklist in my planner. So yeah, we're gonna do that first. Here we go. So yeah, I'm drawing them one by one. I'm gonna alternate like first box with the second box, I guess, and then we can go from there. That's what I think I'm going to do this time around for it. Okay. Also, I just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope all the goals that you set for yourself are going to be accomplished, or if not accomplished, then at least you're gonna put a dent in them, right? Okay. And of course, I hope your guys' 2024 was fantastic or very uneventful like mine, which is like, I like it. Uneventful means no bad news, so that's pretty good. Okay, now let's go ahead and put a whole bunch of stickers down. So let's go ahead and do that. Cosmetic Plans books have boxes in them already, so she makes it super easy. The boxes match, so you can just put them down and go on with your planning. I really do enjoy her sticker books a lot. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put down some boxes. These boxes, like the small ones, I mark if I have a day off or if I'm working. I usually track my hours on here. So yeah, we will go from there. Awesome. That is working. Let's go ahead and pick some of these stickers and put them down. So Happy New Year can go on the 2nd, which is Thursday. Look at that. Yay. Okay, and then the black gifts can go in a corner. Look how elegant black and gold is. So stunning. Then we're gonna do a Happy New Year champagne right there. And I'm just gonna keep going with all the decorations until we have like a cohesive spread. Look at these like 2025 fireworks. Look at this. Happy New Year 2025. We can put that right there. It actually curves around the punch hole. Look how cute that is. Perfect. So that's another one. Do you guys prefer clear stickers or do you prefer paper stickers? I think me myself, I'm a paper girl. It covers any imperfections underneath, like lines and stuff like that. So I really do enjoy working with paper stickers. I know a lot of you like clear stickers so you could layer them. Me myself, I think paper is faster. Not necessarily better, but faster. And then it requires less work on my part. Or at least that's what I think. Look how pretty. I love it. I'm gonna cut a side of it so it's straight edge so it doesn't take away from my to-do list, because those are the main point of this planner. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this in and let's see how it looks. I think it will look good. Look at that. Yep, gorgeous. Yeah, that is stunning. Okay. So then we can keep going and create a spread with more and more and more decorations. Okay, I'm gonna add another one of like the ornament type of things in here. Perfect. And then we need to fill out the other side a little bit more too. And I do need event boxes, which I call them that, but they're just bigger boxes. Look at the bows hanging. How cute is that? Also, New Year's means that I'm taking down my Christmas tree and all of my Christmas decorations, which makes me a little sad because we go from like such a happy season to kind of hibernation for a while. So yeah, that's at least that's how I see it. You let me know if you keep your Christmas tree for longer, or if you take it before New Year's, or like me around New Year's. What is your Christmas decoration thing? Do you do it early on or later, or do you keep it like the Catholics till February 2nd, because there's a holiday, I guess. When I was little in Poland, that's what we used to do. Okay, let's put this box. Yeah, I really love the gold and like brown and black boxes like these. I don't know why, but I love graphic boxes. I think they're so cool and different. So yeah, I can't wait to put more of them in here, at least for now, and I'll keep going. So yeah, this needs a little bit more of decoration, so I'll add a few more things. Let's see, how about we add this beautiful hat right on Sunday? I mean, it is still time to celebrate, I guess, like that whole week. And then let's go ahead and add this. And a little bow. Just love little bows all over the place. Yeah, this really pretty champagne glass mask. And I think I'm pretty close to being done. I'm gonna slowly, let's see, one more thing, no. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. So Winter Wonder from Cosmetic Plans. My link is in the description if you guys want to purchase from her. Yeah, her stickers are just stunning. And then that is it. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.